A forecast at 7 a.m. near 65 degrees. We're still watching Sandy off to our east, and we'll certainly feel the effects overnight with some strong winds, potentially a scattered shower in the eastern part of Polk and Highlands County, but it's really all about the wind. Strong wind gusts throughout the evening and into the day tomorrow. 77 degrees at noon. At 3 p.m., 81 degrees and windy. We'll be using that word a lot. As of 5 o'clock, still a hurricane, but 75 mile per hour is weaker, and you can see that forecast track takes it as a tropical storm here, weakening it some. A lot of wind shear with this system and a lot of dry air as well tends to weaken the system. Long term, though, perhaps in a better position to strengthen again, and a rather estranged upper level trough will help to drag the system back to the west, so says most of the computer models now, and cause a lot of havoc weather-wise in terms of wind, power outages, a lot of rain potentially, as well as some snow at higher elevations for the northeast. Stay tuned on that early next week. There's a look at the RPM forecast model. It's essentially what it does. You can see for us on the western side, keeps a northeast, north, and eventually northwest wind in the forecast as we get into later Saturday into Sunday, a kind of a wind shift. By Sunday, we might drag a few clouds across the state from the northwest, those stratocumulus clouds, cooler air running over the relative warmer Gulf waters. Watch for that on Sunday, but we'll definitely see a cooling trend, as you'll see very shortly in the 7-day forecast. But still a pretty warm day. 80 St. Pete, 81 degrees on Saturday in Lakeland, 81 degrees. Very windy tonight out in Polk County, Highlands County especially, also across eastern sections of places like Citrus and Hernando County as well. So 7-day forecast says our temperatures will stay mild for the short term, but definitely cool down early next week, thanks to the wind switching out of the northwest. Much cooler overnight lows in the low 50s for Halloween, high temperatures in the low 70s, but certainly for the next couple of days, we'll still be dealing with a pretty good wind from the north.